Sorry that I just started recording, but my goal is to get past my goal is to get past 118 days. So you guys think we can do that? Okay, one more night and Tuck. Because I've been here like an FK for 2 hours and I'm gonna stay here because this is my thing. I never done this and this is my first time. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. My real goal is to hit 50 subs, so please support me during these videos. Guys, I'm still gonna record when the update drops because I'm gonna be in every game when the updates comes. Even Blox Fruits, but Blox Fruits doesn't do admin abuse. Then now I can't reach that carrot. Yes, I can reach that one. So I can just more stew. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 stew. Not bad, not bad. Guys, if I make it until the deer shows up, you have to subscribe. Please, but I'm just begging, can you please just subscribe? I'm a small content creator. I just want more subs. Some people recognize me. My phone was broken. And now I'm on my mom's phone. But I had 200 and something subs on my phone what is broken. So I just lost all of that subs. So please support me during this effort of work. I spent it here 3 hours. Come on. 18 seconds. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to subscribe. Where's the cutscene? Where's the cutscene? Oh, probably when it's staying. Night and 99 night. Okay, bro. Die. Okay, bro. If night is over, you have to subscribe. No. Bro, can you die, please? This freaking cultist is annoying me like an hell out. You'll be attacked and not return to your father. Does it look like I care, bro? One minute, guys. Then you have to subscribe. 1 minute. Please help me to get to 50 subscribers. 50, 50, 50. Say W Zander in the chat. $20 seconds, y'all. I mean, no, that wasn't 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to subscribe. You see how long that took? Oh, somebody said. Somebody said. How do I have 5 multiplier, bro? Bro, what? My game is lagging so hard that... So if I die now... Holy goddamn, bro. Guys, you have to subscribe. Please, just bye. See you later.